Okay, it's now 12 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're gonna start off with our afternoon music marathon. Starting off with Chris Brown's Fine.
In Amber has been declared. Local police officers are looking for a missing female named Bella Ganals, 9 years old, 2 foot, 2 feet inches, one purple t-shirt. It's a rocket ship on it, and blue jeans. There's a picture of a flower on the front pocket. The abductor's license plates on SPC 0666. On an unknown car, like vehicle. If you have any information on the abductor, contact the local authorities immediately. Stay tuned to the station or other media outlets for further information on the situation. And it's
message was transmitted by the request of the Charleston Police Department. The Amber Alert issued 15 minutes ago is now cancelled. Repeat, the Amber Alert issued 15 minutes ago is now cancelled. The child, however, has been injured a little. It was also found out that the person kidnapping her was an unknown dark-textured figure with at least 6 hands and 1 finger, and 2 sharp-looking teeth with its limbs looking a bit off. It is recommended that you tune in the news stations for this unknown figure.
The following message was transmitted by the request of the Charleston Police Department. There has now been more information of this unknown figure. This has now been counted as a never-before-seen SCP called SCP-X. Please stay away from this SCP, as it is armed and dangerous. People have already died due to SCP-X consuming them to be disintegrated inside them to never be seen again. It has been calculated that this could possibly spread to the whole United States in the next 2 hours. Government leaders are trying to stop this from happening. Tune into updates as they follow.
The following message has been given authorization of the myself and the U.S. government. An unknown figure named SCP-X found in Charleston, South Carolina. was killing people in that area. Apparently, U.S. government leaders tried to stop this from getting any worse, but unfortunately, they have failed to do so. As a result, SCP-X has now torn dozens of more people. The killing mechanism of this SCP is when one of the pieces of their body sticks to a living organism and keeps sticking to their body until they have fully disintegrated into a torn for their body. It has now been found that due to an eighth of the U.S. population being wiped out, the SCP has grown from 1'3" to 11'4". It is advised to go as underground as possible and stay there for at least 14 days, packing non-perishable food, bottled water, clothing, medical supplies, and a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio with you for at least 14 days. Try to make it as comfortable as possible, because once you get in, you can't go back for the next 14 days. Shelter will be taken as a substitute for evacuating because it will be too late to evacuate now. It has also been calculated that this will spread to South America in 15 minutes. Europe in 25 minutes. Asia 7 hours and 25 minutes. Africa 8.5 hours and 3 more 10 hours. North Wales will flash seconds.
Event type is emergency, meaning that an ongoing emergency is going on and you need to stay safe. A mysterious black, tar-like, yellow glowing, six-headed figure named SCP-X was found in the United States and is now heading towards Europe. Evacuate now. Even if you are home alone. If you are alone, evacuation boats will be held. Bring all emergency supplies and a mask due to the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Tune into updates as they follow.
Oh, come on, an alert on my birthday. What could it be? Okay, let's see what this says. An unknown figure has been spotted in the state of Bavaria. It is required to evacuate the areas. Getting this alert now, even if you don't have any family with you. They went to the store to get something. Evacuation boats for the ones alone will be taken to the country of Singapore until an all clear has been given. Evacuate now. I'm scared. I heard this recently, but I'm scared, man. I should possibly start packing my things now. Crap. I need something. A bag. Any bag that's empty. Shoot. When's he even coming here? This will have to do now. Wait. I'll just get I bet my parents are coming later too. I'm gonna have to get out of this area now. Oh shoot. Okay. Family's back home. Great. This has to be one of the worst birthdays ever. Why? Please say this is an empty bag. I need to pack now. Oh, come on. There's cubes. No. There's gotta be something. No, I'm going to be freaking doomed. Band-aids. Band-aid box. This can do. It's dusty. Great. What's there left now? What is there left now? Come on, what's there left now? Just with me. I have to leave now before the family. Who knows, they may get the alert later. I have to put on my shoes. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Here we go. Please. Please work on me. Never knew you could go Nino alerts on the computer here. Back later. Darn this. Near the overpass and on the lakes. I guess the boat can generate wheels also. There it is. I have to take this path. Oh, why did my birthday have to end up like this? First COVID-19, then quarantine, now this. How could it get any worse this year? Ow! Darn bug got me. Face. Let's just stop my recording here. Bye everyone, I'll update you later. Maybe, I'm not sure.
This is a test of the analog emergency alert system. All television stations have switched to analog due to SCPX malfunctioning all digital TV stations. For that, all alerts and television programming will be on analog for the next few decades. Because after this horrific event, humanity will become poor for the next few decades. This concludes the test of a new temporary analog emergency alert system. Message is transmitted by the request of the U.S. government. This is the second emergency action notification during this horrific event. SCPX has now grown twice the size of previous time and is now on its way to being thrice the size. It isn't known if the fireworks shows in the United States will be officially cancelled due to SCPX. If they are not cancelled, they will be online to watch at home instead. After this event, humanity will go in a second Great Depression and it will take decades for humanity to rebuild. Tune into updates as they follow.
Seven hours after German residents evacuated this country for safety, SCPX has moved to this area. Take the following actions. If he is in your county or district, evacuate now, even if you don't have family with you. If there is an evacuation boat in your area, only take it if you are alone or by foot. If there's no way to evacuate, seek shelter.
Event type is emergency, meaning an ongoing emergency is happening and we need to stay safe. A mysterious, dark, six-headed, yellow glowing figure from the northern hemisphere and some of the southern, is now heading towards New Zealand in approximately 1 hour. Since New Zealand is too eastern, there is no way for evacuation. Seek shelter now for 14 days and pack all emergency supplies. In a little while, New Zealand will go analog. Tune into updates as they follow. Ko temo mafu inga hiko taero, ko te tai kanga ke te tapu ten te dau hiatu karatai cookie and ohawera koro. He tipi pori, six apoko, man rana che kau heto te te tokuri wa kil tereki miida hio te tonga, e hererana naam kioti rai roto o te wanera. I temia he eastern rero notira, karahi warahi mo tenikanet. Rapil te wakarana and mo nga ra 14 mi te nga tonga ohora kato. He wapotanel, kalaherera otira kil te teperi. Wakahoa hurricane nga wakahoa tanga irata iwayana.
Messages begin with authorization at the request of myself and the United States government. I am the President representative, as the President is now being escorted to a safe and undisclosed location for the rest of this disastrous event. As you have heard, a global emergency has been declared for the entire world. Only 3 countries have not been affected yet, which is North Korea, Pakistan, and Somalia. Fireworks will officially be canceled for the entire country of the United States and all military bases around the world due to a global horrific event. However, these countries will be confirmed for SPCX. The countries majorly affected are the United Kingdom, Germany, Singapore, New Zealand, but mostly the United States. SPCX has grown the size is previously, and it is not really confirmed if this will be the end of humanity. If so, Earth will go into a second Great Depression, become poor. Along with that,
stay in shelter for 14 more days, as this is a threat for all life forms on the planet. This ends my message here. Prepare for the worst. To us, we are newfound partners. May God be with you all. And may God be with the United States of America. The land was created the home of the brave. Message was transmitted by the request of the U.S. government. SCPX has suddenly melted due to the hot summer temperatures. A big tower still is now on the ground. Luckily, it is avoiding sea, and the glowing safe to exit your shelters. However, major damage was reported across the world. Most whales has been vanished across the world due to SCP damaging everything in its path. There are no more jobs to work at. Due to poorness of humanity, everyone will get monthly welfares with only $5 in it. After this transmission, all stations will shut down because of the poor electricity and us needing to keep it going. We hope for you all the best during these poor times. Good luck to all out there. And may God bless the United States of America. Furthermore, the
Let's go.
Hey Hooray, this is a happy birthday video for you. Happy birthday. Hope you're having an awesome birthday.
Let's go now.